students, today we continue with the same exercise, exercise 2.4. After doing numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4, we continue with number 5. Okay. So, let us first go through the questions. What questions are given here? Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Now, Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. What are their present ages? So, this is what the question is. Now, let us try to solve them. Solution of number 5. Let us read the question again stepwise. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. Now, the first and foremost thing that we need to find out is what is Shobo's present age. So, let us consider, let Shobo's present age be X years. So, we are taking Shobo's present age to be X years. Now, Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times Shobo's present age. So, therefore, Shobo's mother's present age will be 6x years, right. So, Shobo's mother's present age will be 6x years. Now, the next part, Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. Now, according to the question, Shobo's age 5 years from now will be x plus 5, is it not? After 5 years, if you are of a 10-year-old now, then after 5 years, your age will be 15. So, 10 plus 5. So, here also it is x plus 5. And Shobo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of his, will be equal to 1/3 of his mother's present age. So, his mother's present age is 6x. So, now this is the equation. What are their present ages? Now, you will have to find out what is x. X will be Shobo's age, present age, right, and then you will have to find out 6x will be, that will be his mother's present age. I hope you have understood this. Once again, let me explain you. Shobo's mother's present age is 6 times of Shobo's present age. So, I am taking Shobo's present age to be x years. Now, Shobo's mother's present age will be 6x years and Shobo's age 5 years from now. So, according to the question, x plus 5 will be 1/3 of his mother's present age. So, 1/3 of his mother's present age is 6x. So, 1/3 of 6x, and now when you solve for x, you get the age of present age of Shobo, and then for 6x you get the present age of his mother. I hope you have understood. Solution part is to be done by you. Okay, you need to solve the equation. I am just interpreting the equations, and if you try to solve them, you will learn how to solve the equations. Now, let us proceed to question number 6. So, let us see what question number 6 says. Now, question number 6 says, there is a narrow plot. There is a narrow plot reserved for a school. So, there is a narrow plot that is reserved for a school in Mahuli village. Now, the length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4 at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. It will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? So, here say for example, this is a narrow plot and this is the length and this is the breadth. Now, when it is talked about fencing, we know we are talking about the perimeter of the rectangular plot. I hope you know this, right? Rectangle, here we are talking about the perimeter because fencing is done on the boundaries. So, we are talking about the perimeter of the plot. Now, the entire plot to be fenced will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. That is what it is written, at the rate of rupees 100 per meter, right. Now, let us first frame the equation. Now, quite a few things are given here. The ratio of the length and breadth are 11:4, that is what is given. So, what we will write here? We will write, let the length of the plot be 11x and the breadth be 4x, right. Let the length of the plot be 11x and the breadth be 4x. That is how it has become 11:4. Now, we can easily find the perimeter from the given. Therefore, perimeter as per the formula, what do we know? Perimeter of a rectangle is, of a rectangular plot is 2 into L plus B. So, 11x plus 4x, right, is it not? Now, again as per the statement given here, they are saying that it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 at the rate of rupees 100 per meter to fence the entire plot. So, perimeter we can find out from here as well. So, what will be the perimeter? The cost of the entire plot 75,000 rupees 100 per meter. Now, when they are saying per meter, it will be meter here. So, rupees and rupees will cancel out and we see that perimeter is actually 750 meter, right. Now, what are the dimensions of the plot? Now, dimensions means the length and the breadth. So, according to the question, we know that perimeter here is 750 meter and here we are getting the perimeter as 2 into 11x plus 4x. Now, when you solve for x, you get the value for x and then you put the value of x in 11 to get the length and in 4 to get the breadth. When you get the value of x, you find out the length and breadth. Length is 11x and the breadth is 4x. I hope you have understood this. Solution you will have to do on your own. Once again I am explaining it. There is a narrow plot reserved for a school in Mahuli village. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. So, I have taken the length of the plot as 11x and the breadth as 4x. Now, at the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost the village panchayat rupees 75,000 at the rate of rupees 100 per meter. So, I have taken the perimeter in this way to get 750 and then also we know perimeter formula is 2 into L plus B. So, 2 into L is 11x, B is 4x. So, then we are framing the equation as such and now you will solve for x and put the values in 11x and 4x to get length and breadth respectively. So, that solution part is to be done by you. Okay. So, next we will proceed to the next question.